Hi, my name is Vaun Raymond. I'm a filmmaker and educator based here in Seattle, Washington. Recently, I developed 2 online classes for the Seattle Film Institute, one in Adobe Premiere and the other in DaVinci Resolve. Right now, I'm excited about opportunities to share and customize these classes for any school where students need an online class in digital film editing. Premiere, of course, has been an industry standard in video editing for many years. DaVinci Resolve is mainly known for color grading, but it has evolved into a really powerful editing platform. It's also a great alternative because DaVinci offers an almost complete version for free. Because Premiere and Resolve are almost like 2 versions of the same thing as far as editing platforms go, I developed 2 parallel courses, both covering the same basic skills and classic editing techniques in 10 weekly modules. The only major difference is the software we use in each version of the class. Now, the heart of both courses is a series of 7 video tutorials, about 35 minutes each, in which I guide students step by step from fundamentals to more advanced editing techniques. We even get into a few Hollywood-style special effects, like with this shot of a young man on a boat. Wouldn't it be more dramatic if we were out at sea? Or this drone shot of sailboats. Wouldn't it be more exciting if someone fired a cannon? To help students reference everything covered in the tutorials, I provide illustrated text versions of each lesson. I also provide all the raw video and audio assets I use in the tutorials so students can edit along with me. After students complete each tutorial, that's when the fun really starts, because I provide them with raw materials for a creative editing project in a different genre each week. Comedy, documentary, photomation, music video, experimental, and even a fight scene. Students share their finished projects with me and their peers during our weekly online class meetings. And then to make sure students get the basics, they do an online hands-on exam with me near the end of the course. Teaching digital editing with Premiere and Resolve is a natural fit for the online learning environment. If you like what you've seen and heard here, please contact me for more information. I look forward to working with you and your students.